Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has broken his silence on the surprise exclusion of the veteran midfielder Themba Zwane from both legs of the 2025 CAF Champions League final, following his side's 3-2 aggregate defeat to Egypt's Pyramids FC. Brazilians were left heartbroken on Sunday night after a 2-1 second leg loss in Cairo sealed a second successive continental final defeat under Cardoso. The first leg had ended 1-1 in Pretoria, with Walid El-Kati netting a crucial late away goal at Loftus Stadium to give the Egyptian outfit the upper hand. In the return leg, Pyramids pounced early on the defensive blunder from Grant Kekana, allowing Fiston Mayele to open the scoring. They doubled their lead just before the hour mark through armed Semi, sending the home crowd into raptures. Although Ikram Reyners pulled a goal back for Sundowns in the 75th minute, it wasn't enough to inspire a comeback as the South African champions once again fell agonizingly short on the continental stage, with questions swirling around the absence of club stalwart Themba Zwane, widely regarded as one of the Sundowns' most experienced and creative midfielder. Cardoso maintained a defiant stance in the post-match press conference and said, "I totally understand what kind of answer you want or you're looking for, but it's not the time to speak about individual performances of players." Pressed on the issue, the Portuguese tactician reiterated his trust in the depth of the squad and said this group is very qualified, a lot of quality players, and obviously Themba is one of them. But in a final, every choice counts. We needed balance in the middle of the pack, and tough decisions had to be made. The decision not to field Zwane in either leg has raised eyebrows among supporters and pundits alike, especially given his leadership pedigree and track record in high-stakes encounters, including Sundowns' historic 2016 Champions League triumph. Despite the heartbreak, there is little time for reflection. Sundowns will now shift their attention to a historic opportunity on the global stage as they gear up for FIFA Club World Cup, set to kick off on June 18 in the United States. Drawn into challenging Group F, Sundowns will face Asia's Ulsan HG, South American champions Fluminense, and Bundesliga giants Borussia Dortmund. Their campaign begins with a showdown against Ulsan HG as Cardoso and his squad seek redemption on football's biggest club stage. Whether or not Themba Zwane plays a role in that journey remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: pressure is mounting on Cardoso and the world is watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.